on the broadcast in the Noida techie's tragic death. Times Now confronted Noida DM, and this is how he ducked direct questions posed to him. Take a look.
Ma'am, many questions. In fact, was Noida not prepared? Why did the security? Why did the SDRF and NDRF reach very late? We are being informed that the rescue started much after Yuvraj lost his life. You can see also how the police officials here are stopping us from asking questions. Why wasn't any on your screen? The DM
लेकिन शिकायतों के
और
बात मौत का गड्ढा बन गया.
Why wasn't any preparation made in advance? Why weren't any inspections done? This entire bend, multiple complaints raised, yet no answers.
Let's go across to my colleague Kritika, who's joining us on the broadcast. Kritika, you confronted the DM. The DM refuses to take direct questions.
Well, yes, clearly, in fact, Noida DM, Noida Police Commissioner, as well as the entire SIT, all three members, they were present at this very spot. They stayed here for about 30 minutes in order to inspect the infrastructural failures. Infrastructural failures, which, by the way, have been pointed out by the locals much in advance as well. 31st is when the first accident had happened. The proof of that still on your very screen. This boundary wall that was knocked off due to the truck. Despite this, no action was taken in the next 15 days, which is when the accident with Yuvraj Mehta also happened. SDRF, NDRF, these form of rescue operations fall directly under the jurisdiction of the district magistrate of this city. In this case, Medha Rupam, who is the current DM. She was supposed to be responsible for ensuring that all equipments are in place, and in fact all measures are in place for any sort of such disaster to in fact happen. This is the pit wherein Yuvraj's car had slid off to. Even now, it's been about 5 hours since the operation of the NDRF also began in order to locate the car, and yet it is continuing. Right. This is the extent and in fact the dangerous nature of this pit as well, which again remains, this is what the builder who has currently been arrested as well, Abhay Kumar, the director of MZ Wishtown. He also says that it was in fact Noida Authority only which had refused to give the commencement permission, and that is why this ground has also been, it has remained disputed. No department as well as the private owners have stepped in to clear the water that is filled not only just behind me.
Some action has been taken, but a lot more needs to be done. Kritika, stay on with us. We're getting more breaking inputs on the broadcast. Times Now confronts Noida MP Mahesh Sharma, who accepts the fault. Noida MP then goes on to promise action, says delay in the rescue work will be probed. And he also then goes on to say that the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Yogi Adityanath, is committed to fixing accountability. Let's listen into that comment.
सबसे वरिष्ठतम अधिकारी अगर इसके लिए होता है तो नोएडा का सीईओ होता है. नोएडा के सीईओ पर सबसे पहले कार्रवाई की गई है, उन्हें ट्रांसफरगत किया गया है, जेई को ट्रांसफरगत किया गया है, जिलाधिकारी महोदय या किसी अन्य अधिकारी का अब ये 5 दिन का मात्र समय.
इसी कार्यवाही पर सीईओ के मामले में ऑपोजिशन की तरफ से इल्जाम लगाया जा रहा है कि ट्रांसफर तो एनीवे ड्यू था उनका, तो ये आखिर कैसा ही स्टेप हुआ? लीपापोती, समाजवादी पार्टी कह रही है कि ये लीपापोती चल रही है.
देखिए, इस विषय में कोई लीपापोती अभी तक ना तो हुई है ना आगे होगी. ये विश्वास मैं जनप्रतिनिधि होने के नाते मैं दिला सकता हूँ. मैं इस बात से आपके से सहमत हूँ कि जो 1-1.5 घंटे का जो समय गुजरा है, किन परिस्थितियों में था, वहाँ कितनी फॉग थी, साधन नहीं थे, या कौन आदमी पानी में उतरा नहीं उतरा, ये सब जांच के विषय हैं.
Kritika continues to be with us on the broadcast. Kritika, that was Noida MP Mahesh Sharma, who admits that yes, there was a mistake. He admits faults. He then goes on to also respond to the Samajwadi Party as far as political allegations are concerned.
Well, yes, the MP, right after the SIT had left from the spot, along with Noida Police Commissioner Lakshmi Singh as well as the Noida DM. We also had the BJP MP from this area, from Gautam Budh Nagar, also come on the accident spot. Remember, work to locate the car and to retrieve it is still underway. That is when he had also come in to take some accountability. He has said that, in fact, action, he recognizes and he acknowledges that action on even his letter that he had written as an MP to the Noida Authority is also pending, and all of these aspects will now be looked into. But is this coming too late after a life has been lost? Is then when the authority is going to wake up? That is the big question we are asking on Times Now. The Member of Parliament from Gautam Budh Nagar had also said that, people will only learn from their mistakes. This was also the other statement that was made from him. He's currently underlining that the transfer of CEO goes on to show that the UP government is committed in ensuring the accountability as well as any lapses, and all the lapses rather that went into making this accident possible are looked into. This was the statement that was coming in from the BJP MP who had reached just after the SIT. However, locals still concerned, because even behind me you can still see the pumping out of this water will also take will take around 2 weeks as well. So more and more planning is required.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Kritika, for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. The National Disaster Response Force is on the spot with efforts